Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to revamp your old footwear. So here I have my old shoes and I have washed it and it's pretty clean now. So first let's take off the laces. Now take your white acrylic paint and dab it on the shoes. You can use your sponge to dab the paint. Make sure you apply the paint thoroughly all over the shoes so that it is properly covered with white acrylic paint. So now I am done with the first coat of paint. So you need to apply at least 2 coats of paint. Let it dry for some time and then you can apply the second coat. It's pretty dry now. So now I'll start painting over it. So here I'm taking my sponge again. I'm using the sponge again to dab the paint. I'm using an orange, very bright orange neon color, acrylic color. I have decided to go with some bright colors. Now I'm applying green color and with the sponge itself merge the colors together. Now I'm taking some yellow, bright yellow color. So you can use any color of your choice. Since I wanted to make it bright, so I am using these neon shades of acrylic paint. So as you can see, we are done with applying the paint. Now we need to keep it aside for some time to let it dry. After it dries, we can continue with the next step. So now the paint has dried and I have decided that I will go with drawing some patterns over it with the black acrylic paint. Here I am using a very thin brush. So you can go with a number 1 or a 0 number brush to draw the patterns. As you can see, I'm drawing it freehand, but if you're not comfortable drawing it freehand, you are always free to draw the patterns with a pencil first, and then you can start painting. I'm going with the flow here. Whatever is coming to my mind, I'm going to draw that. You can also select the pattern beforehand, and you can also trace the pattern and then start drawing. It is totally up to you. Just enjoy the process and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's fine, because end of the day this is your old shoes which maybe you would have thrown out. So even if you make a mistake, it's fine, you can cover it up. Just go with the flow and continue making the patterns till you finish it. So again, it is up to you if you want to cover the whole shoes with the pattern or just a part of it. So it's your choice. I have decided I won't be drawing any patterns on this side. I love this color, so I'm going to use this color to fill up some of the spaces. Now I'm going to apply this gold dust along with the paint. See, isn't it looking nice? It's looking very bright and it's giving it a shine. I'll add some more gold dust onto the shoes. keep applying till you get the desired result. So now, as you can see, our shoe is looking as good as new. I hope you enjoyed doing this with me. Looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.